fun drama app. So here's you can just see the app goes high in the charts. You can see a lot of short shows in here. Let fun drama be your most intuitive viewing companion with non-stop excitement. Constantly updated with popular dramas, perfectly fits your schedule, easy to use, optimized playback. So here is just what you can see. And then yeah, you can just see the details, and then continue to app episodes. Then you can see profile, watch history. You can see some recommended episodes, mostly like Asian dramas. Nice easy interface. And then yeah, you can just see the watch history and just kind of play it. Pretty cool.